How to add transactions in EveryDollar. So here's how we can do it on the website version as well as the mobile app. First, if we are on the website version, we will begin by clicking on transactions and then the blue circle with a white plus sign, which looks like this, in the bottom right corner of your screen. If we're using the app, we will tap on the white plus sign in the top right of your screen. So it's going to look like this. Afterwards, we will choose expense or income, depending on what type of transaction we're trying to add. And we gotta fill in the date, amount, and merchant fields in the window that pops up. So it's gonna look a little something like this. We've gotta fill out the amount, the date, where did you spend this money, and choose the budget items. Also, we have some other options. If we scroll down here, we can see the mobile app and how it's going to look. So merchant, amount, date. And also we can add the check number. Afterwards, we gotta click or tap on the choose budget items. And here it's going to tell us that if we prefer not to assign a budget item yet, we can just click add expense / done. Later, when we're done to assign the transaction, you can simply drag and drop it into the budget item of your choosing. Then we have to select the appropriate budget item and click the blue track expense button on the web or done in the top right corner to save our transaction. And that's how you do it. It's very simple. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.